This is part 1 and it contains names that starts with A, B and C. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Master. Our today's lesson is about
alphabetical lists of all countries in the world.
So let's begin the lesson. Afghanistan,
Afghanistan,
Albania,
Albania,
Algeria,
Algeria,
Andorra,
Andorra,
Angola,
Angola,
Antigua and Barbuda,
Antigua and Barbuda,
Argentina,
Argentina,
Armenia,
Armenia,
Australia,
Australia,
Austria,
Austria,
Azerbaijan,
Azerbaijan,
Bahamas,
Bahamas,
Bahrain,
Bahrain,
Bangladesh,
Bangladesh,
Barbados,
Barbados,
Belarus,
Belarus,
Belgium,
Belgium,
Belize,
Belize,
Benin,
Benin,
Bhutan,
Bhutan,
Bolivia,
Bolivia,
Bosnia and Herzegovina,
Bosnia and Herzegovina,
Botswana,
Botswana,
Brazil,
Brazil,
Brunei,
Brunei,
Bulgaria,
Bulgaria,
Burkina Faso,
Burkina Faso,
Burundi,
Burundi,
Cape Verde,
Cabo Verde,
Cambodia,
Cambodia,
Cameroon,
Cameroon,
Canada,
Canada,
West Afriki Jamhuriya,
Central African Republic, CAR,
Chad,
Chad,
Chile,
Chile,
China,
China,
Colombia,
Colombia,
Ittihadul Qamari,
Comoros,
Congo,
Congo,
Costa Rica,
Costa Rica,
Croatia,
Croatia,
Cuba,
Cuba,
Cyprus,
Cyprus,
Jamhuriya Czech.
Czech Republic.
This is part 1 and it only contains names that starts with A, B and C. For other names, wait for next video.